Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sanakhuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to share with you all a genuine review of the versatile multifunctional kitchen appliance Ken Sandwich Grill. In this video, I am going to be detailing about the product's features and performance, how to choose the right sandwich grill which would meet your individual requirements, and I will also mention the pros and cons of this grill 100% honestly, as I have been personally using this product for toasting and grilling purposes. Friends, kindly watch the full video if you're planning to buy a new sandwich grill, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is my Ken sandwich grill. It comes with an instruction manual with a warranty card in it. It has 1 year manufacturer warranty. It has ergonomic handle, which means the handle is very safe for your hands. One of the best features of this appliance is the grill plates are coated with non-toxic ceramic coating, which makes the cooking very safe when compared to the non-stick PTFE or the Teflon coated plates, which release harmful fumes when overheated. The next fantastic feature is the automatic temperature cutoff. Once the cooking gets over, the red indicator light gets switched off automatically. And it has a lock at the side. This helps the upper and lower plate to stay intact so that this appliance could be placed vertically to save the space in your kitchen shelf, and you can safely carry it for a vacation, for a short trip. And this lock has nothing to do with grilling and all that. And this is the power cord. The length measures only 75 centimeters. They could have given at least 1 meter cord, and hence this is a drawback actually. If the power socket in your kitchen is a little far away, you can use an extension board to connect with the plug. You can toast 2 regular sized bread slices at a time or 1 large sandwich sized bread at a time. Now let's make a simple grilled chili cheese sandwich. I've taken 2 slices of medium-sized brown bread and have placed a cheese slice and topped with some chopped green chilies, and the sandwich is ready to be grilled now. You can see the red indicator light is on now. Once the bread gets grilled to golden brown, the light automatically gets switched off. Just look at the color of the bread, perfect golden brown. The sandwich was quite crispy and the cheese had melted perfectly. 700 watts is the ideal power to make the perfectly grilled sandwiches. If you go for a higher power sandwich makers like about 1500 watts to 2000 watts, the grilling happens so fast with very high temperature that the bread slices get burnt off and the cheese remain unmelted inside. This information is also based on my own personal experience with the higher power sandwich maker from another brand. If you want to opt for a higher power sandwich grill, you must choose the ones with temperature control knob. With this feature, you can adjust the temperature to low when grilling sandwiches and increase the temperature when grilling chicken breasts or large pieces of meat or fish. But this type of sandwich grills are quite expensive. If you want to grill chicken in Ken's sandwich grill, you have to cut the chicken into small and thin pieces, preheat for 2 minutes, and you can grill. Once the grilling gets over, wait for the grilling plates to get cooled, after which you can easily clean it with a dry or wet cloth as it has non-stick ceramic coating. Now let's make paneer tikka. Now brush the grilling plates with oil both on top and bottom and place the skewers. Cover it and cook this way. Twist the skewers for even cooking on all the sides. The paneer and the veggies have been beautifully grilled. I have uploaded paneer tikka recipe in my channel. I have given the link in the description box. You can click the link to watch the full video. Now let's make the grilled pineapple. Spray some oil over the grill plates and use a brush to spread the oil like this. Place the marinated pineapple slices. I had rubbed some Kashmiri red chili powder along with some salt on both sides of the pineapple slices and marinated for 30 minutes. Now open and flip the pineapple pieces to the other side and cook till the indicator light gets switched off. Spray some more oil on the other side. Now a beautifully charred, juicy and flavorful grilled pineapple is ready. Here you go, we have the perfectly grilled chili cheese sandwich, paneer tikka and grilled pineapple made with our Ken sandwich grill. Friends, I have summarized the pros and cons of this product for your reference. I'm certainly not endorsing Ken's Sandwich Grill. This is an unbiased review of the product based on my personal experience. I hope this video was informative, and by this time you would have decided to buy the right kind of sandwich grill based on your requirements. Friends, if you like this video, please hit a like, leave a comment and share it with your family and friends. And please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of my new uploads. Thank you very much for watching my video. Meet you all in my next upload. Until then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.